Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new VERSO Magic streaming box. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending us off reviews, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So these are cool, like if you want to watch like Netflix, YouTube, ESPN on your radio, factory radio. I don't have a factory radio, but my third-party radio doesn't allow that feature either. So this should allow it. This will do wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and I believe it's even got Android 11 built into it like as a operating system. So let's go ahead and check it out. You get your user manual there. Here it is. Very cool. All right, and then you have different adapters here. So it looks like USB to USB. And then I want to say this is an extender. And then this one is Type-C to USB. And then Type-C to Type-C. I will probably end up using Type-C to USB. We'll plug it in and we'll try it out. So since it does run the Android operating system on here, you do have a micro SD card slot right here. It comes with 16 gigs already built in, so yeah, we can download certain apps and just be able to use it right off of here. But it does expand up to 512 gigabytes as well through that slot. But let's go ahead and try it out and see how it actually works. All right, so first you're just gonna have to simply plug it in. I am gonna use the USB side on my vehicle to get it connected, and then after a couple seconds it'll show the Android logo on here, so that way you know that it is loading. Once it loads, you'll see all these awesome applications, some that are pre-built in. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to my phone's Bluetooth. The setup was really simple. As you can see, it's already mirroring my maps, so I could either control it from my phone or from the radio itself. This can be extremely useful, especially if you're doing any kind of delivery service or traveling a lot, just being able to use it hands-free. And here I am. I'm going to show you that it'll also work with your podcast. So what makes this Magic Box stand out is what I think is this right here is the Google Play Store. You can download all the applications that you normally could like on a tablet, and you can get them directly onto the Magic Box itself, and then it'll display on your car radio. All you have to do is sign in with your Google credentials, and then you're good to go. Here are some of the other applications that come pre-built into the Magic Box. Like I said, you have Disney Plus, you have Netflix, and other items like that. Here's the settings where you can change the language, other Bluetooth options, the Wi-Fi. You can change the theme. You can change the display. You can update the version on it. I'm going to go ahead and load YouTube, which I think is my favorite part of this Magic Box. It's probably the feature that I'm probably going to use the most. So we'll go ahead and load it up. I'm going to go ahead and search something on here. And then we'll go ahead and load a music video. And then I'll go ahead and let you hear it just so you can see that all the sound is coming directly through the Magic Box through the stereo.
Understand me? Got it. Wow, let's go. Oh boy.
The other cool application that it comes already pre-installed is Netflix. So if you already have an account, you'll be able to stream all your favorite shows and movies directly from your radio. All you have to do is just either get started or hit login with your credentials, and then you'll be good to go. So there you guys go. Super cool, super easy to set up. It was almost plug and play aside from you just having to hook it up through your Bluetooth and your hotspot on your phone. But other than that, if you're looking to make your car a little more wireless than what you have, definitely look into this. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.